Here's a song about TV and the repercussions that lie within. Existed for years, though very little has changed. I'm the tool of the government and industry too. Yes, and I am destined to rule up and to regulate you. I may be vile and pernicious, but you can't look away. I'll make you think I'm delicious with the stuff that I say. I'm the best you can get. Yes, have you guessed me?
Out from your TV set.
You little baby, while I lead you and eat garbage that I feed you until the day that we don't need you. Don't go for help, no one will heed you. Your mind is totally controlled and fenced off to my mold, and you will do as you are told of until the rights to you are sold.